Hey, ¿dónde está el fuse?
Está grabando, pero estoy de este lado. ¿Eh?
¿Qué tienes miedo de la cámara?
Ok, mira, guacha. ¿Va a salir grabado? Ahí está.
Oh, so guys, it's Waco. I'm gonna show you guys and learn also how to change a Bluetooth radio on the O2 Dodge Ram 1500. So let's get into it.
Sí lo conecto, ¿no? Hey, ¿dónde está el fuse?
Está grabando, pero estoy de este lado. ¿Eh?
¿Qué tienes miedo de la cámara?
Ok, mira, guacha. ¿Va a salir grabado? Ahí está.
Alright guys, we finally did it. I switched out the stock radio on my 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 and put an SSL Bluetooth radio. Unfortunately, I didn't have the part for the radio antenna. I can put Bluetooth and aux, but I don't have an aux cord at the moment. I can't try a Bluetooth because I'm recording right now. But it works, so, which is great. It turned on, and I did blow a fuse at first, so I had to fix that because my dumbass, when I was connecting the wires with butt connectors, I accidentally blew my fuse. But we fucking did it. This shit took forever. I only cut out the part where I was connecting the wires because it just I needed my phone to search up a diagram of the wires because I didn't know what the stock wires meant, so I had to search up a diagram, but everything went fine. So hope you guys enjoyed it. It was fun. I mean, it took like a day or two, but I got it. I'm not an electrician, but you can call me any day for your needs. See you in the next one. Thank you.